Unveiling the secret of bread making. Proofing the dough. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of baking, specifically focusing on a crucial step in bread making: proofing the dough. This process might seem mysterious if you're new to baking or learning English, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, making it easy to understand and apply in your own kitchen adventures. Proofing, also known as proving, is the final step in the bread-making process before baking. It involves allowing the dough to rise through the action of yeast. Yeast is a tiny organism that produces carbon dioxide gas when it eats the sugars in flour. This gas gets trapped in the dough, causing it to expand or rise. Proofing is essential because it contributes to the texture, flavor, and appearance of the bread. Step 1. Shaping the dough. After kneading, the dough is shaped into its final form. This could be a loaf, buns, or any other shape depending on the recipe. Step 2. The first proof. Often, recipes call for 2 proofing stages. The first proof allows the dough to double in size. It's typically done in a large, greased bowl covered with a damp cloth to prevent drying. Step 3. Punching down. Once the dough has doubled, it's punched down to release excess gases and redistribute the yeast, allowing for a more even texture. Step 4. Shaping and second proof. The dough is then shaped as desired and left to rise again. This second rise is crucial for developing the final texture and volume. Step 5. The bake. After proofing, the dough is ready to be baked. The perfect proof leads to beautifully risen, flavorful bread. Temperature is key. Yeast is most active between 75 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. Proofing in a warm, draft-free area speeds up the process. Moisture matters. Covering the dough with a damp cloth during proofing keeps it moist and prevents a hard skin from forming. Time varies. Proofing time can vary based on the recipe, yeast type, and ambient temperature. It's important to watch the dough rather than the clock. Overproofing. If dough is left to rise for too long, it can collapse due to the breakdown of gluten structure. Underproofing. Insufficient proofing results in dense, undercooked bread. Inconsistent environment. Fluctuations in temperature and humidity can affect the rise of your dough. Proofing the dough might sound technical, but it's truly an art that gets better with practice. Remember, making bread is not just about following a recipe, it's about understanding the process and the role of each step. We hope this video demystifies proofing and inspires you to start your own baking journey. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.